Meaning of double room.
Double room.
Double room.
Double room.
Double room. A double room is a type of hotel or accommodation with a room designed to accommodate two people. The room usually has one large bed or two twin beds, and it can be an ideal option for couples or friends traveling together. Double rooms are often equipped with basic amenities such as a bathroom, TV, and air conditioning. Some hotels may have different types of double rooms, such as deluxe or executive double rooms, which offer additional features and amenities. Overall, a double room is a comfortable and affordable option for two travelers looking for shared accommodation.